Okay, today we're looking at a problem with a Fender broken neck. Not an uncommon problem with these guitars, because that's the way the grain lies, and if you give them a bit of a shock, this is what you get. First thing to do, of course, remove the old strings, and they don't look in bad condition, so we can keep them. And the neck is a nice clean break, so it shouldn't be too difficult to do a repair. Removing the machine heads will make things a lot easier. That way, when we put the clamps on, when we're doing the gluing, nothing gets in the way. Now we can remove the little screws at the back, and then we can take off the actual machine arms. And then we're in the clear for the repair. A closer look at the brake, nice and clean, no splinters. And for the most part, the varnish around the join is pretty good. I noticed that the varnish on the front is damaged. We can do a repair for that later. Put a liberal helping of glue onto the broken part and spread it out nicely so that it covers every little portion. Couple of pieces of card so the guitar doesn't get damaged by the clamps. Final check to make sure the clamps are nice and tight, but not too tight. The cleaning up can be done after the clamps come off and the glue is dry. So we'll give that 24 hours and then come back and have another look. Welcome to day 2, and now it's time to remove the clamps. Gently, of course, we don't want any accidents. And having removed the clamps, we can find out exactly how the new glued neck is faring. Try a little bit of pressure on the neck. That seems not like it's going to just snap off. So the glue is holding as we would like it to. One more piece of cardboard that appears to be glued slightly to the neck, but we can remove that. And you can see that there is some damage to the front edge where the lacquer was. Small repair required on that, but that's not all I'm going to do, so come back again for the next video and you'll see what I do to make sure this structure is as strong as I can possibly make it.